Before the dawn of robots helping humans, someone asked the question, how would robotics ever help the world? And more or less, the question was simply answered over time as technology evolved. As of today, robotics is almost everywhere. Robots used in medicine, military, underwater exploration, humanoid companionship, and even cleaning robots in your home. And if we talked about technology making phone calls, switching on lights, opening doors, and even turning on your TV, then the list would go on. But in today's video, we are taking a look at 10 very interesting robots that are helping people. But before we get into it, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get it. Kicking off the list in the number 1 spot in no particular order is the Grillbot, which is a battery-powered robot with 3 removable rotating wire brushes that will automatically clean your barbecue grill. Here's the thing, I've never met anyone who doesn't enjoy a good barbecue, but I've also never met anyone who enjoys cleaning the grill afterwards. And that's where the Grillbot comes in. All you simply have to do is place it on a cool or warm grill, push a button, and the Grillbot will clean your grill. It's noted that the surface temperature needs to be less than 250 degrees Fahrenheit, but the robot comes equipped with a heat sensor, which will warn you if the grill is too hot, or if the grill is cool enough to continue. The Grillbot's brushes will spin, stop, and restart in a random fashion that makes the robot crawl across the surface of the grill. It's said that things do get a little bit noisy as the plastic chassis repeatedly banging against the barbecue sides. But enduring the noise and clatter is vastly better than having to scrub and scrape that barbecue grill yourself. Number 2 is the Gladwell Gecko window cleaning robot, which is a robot designed to clean your windows using Gecko's vacuum suction technology to stick to the window. Gladwell says it's time to do with all the frustration and monotony that accompanies cleaning your windows. It's time to put away the ladders and sponges that often seem to create more of a mess. And it's time to use Gecko's user-friendly window cleaning robot, as the Gecko will give your windows the deepest clean you've had in years. Number 3 is TOMBOT, the world's first most realistic robotic animal. TOMBOT was designed to emulate an actual live puppy's appearance and behavior. The robot dog is said to provide ongoing fun, happiness, and emotional support for elderly people or anybody with mental or physical limitations. TOMBOT is said to be the perfect robotic animal companion, designed to delight and improve the quality of life for anyone who cannot actually care for a live animal. Say goodbye to all the things that you would have to do to care for a live animal, and say hello to all the emotional support that a robotic animal could provide you. Number 4 is RIBA 2, the first robot capable of lifting a patient from a bed to a wheelchair and back. The RIBA 2 robot does this by using its very strong human-like arms and by novel tactic guidance methods using high accuracy tactile sensors. The robot can lift a patient up to 80 kilograms in weight off floor-level bedding and into a wheelchair, freeing care facility care aides of one of their most difficult and energy-consuming tasks. The robot stands 173 centimeters tall, 82 centimeters wide, and 103 centimeters long. It weighs nearly 230 kilograms. RIBA 2's smart rubber sensors in its forearms, chest, and upper arms are used to measure the interaction forces between the healthcare patient and the robot. The sensors in the forearm and the upper arms are actually used to operate the robot. The resistant type smart rubber sensors in the hand and on the cart surface are used to detect contact with care receivers or barriers. On top of everything else, RIBA 2 is said to put a lot of smiles on a lot of patients' faces. Brain time. Congratulations, you made it this far in the video. What would you do if I told you you could have 25 years of good luck? And all you'd have to do is like this video and also subscribe if you haven't already. Well, what are you waiting for? Smash that like button and you'll get 25 years of good luck. And now, back to the video. Number 5. Meet Grace, the COVID-19 humanoid robot which debuted in 2021. Designed as an assistant for doctors, Grace is equipped with sensors including a thermal camera to detect a patient's temperature and pulse to help doctors diagnose illness and deliver treatment. The android is said to be a companion for patients as well, specializing in senior care. Grace speaks 3 languages, English, Mandarin, and Cantonese, and can socialize and conduct talk therapy. The team at Hanson Robotics said that Grace was made with the intentions to support medical professionals, rather than actually replace them. Further, using AI and robotics in this context could actually help gather important data for healthcare providers to assess the well-being of various patients. Number 6 is VYOMMITRA, which is said to be a female-looking humanoid space-faring robot, which is being developed by the Indian Space Research Organization to function on board the Gaganyaan, a crewed orbital spacecraft. VYOMMITRA was first unveiled in January of 2020 at the Human Spaceflight and Exploration Symposium in Bangalore. It's said that VYOMMITRA will accompany Indian astronauts in space missions and also be a part of uncrewed experimental missions prior to the actual crewed spaceflight missions. The Indian Space Research Organization says that VYOMMITRA was created mainly for doing experiments in space, as they would rather fly a humanoid robot up into space rather than real animals, thus using the humanoid robots to better understand what weightlessness and radiation does to the human body during long durations in space. Number 7 is OceanOneK, the newest generation of underwater humanoid robots, designed for deep-sea exploration with bimanual manipulation, stereo vision, and human-robot haptic interaction capabilities. With a maximum depth of 1,000 meters, the robot can reach sites considerably deeper underwater than any other robot before it, enabling it to explore a wider variety of aquatic ecosystems. Through haptic feedback, OceanOneK allows researchers to interact with underwater environments and flexibly operate with tools and equipment. In 2002, OceanOneK performed a deep dive to 852 meters off the coast of Cairns, and it was the first time a humanoid robot had reached such depths, actually being able to touch the seafloor. Number 8 is Willow X, which is an outdoor robot that can complete tasks including mowing the lawn, weeding, and harvesting fruits and vegetables. The robot has arms to help it execute a range of jobs, including sweeping and raking up leaves or pouring drinks. And it can even carry items on its body. The Willow X robot has artificial intelligence capabilities and a 4K camera to help it detect objects and avoid obstacles. There are actually 2 models for this robot. The Willow X can last up to 6 hours between charges, while the Willow X Pro can last up to 8 hours. Other features of this robot include autonomous navigation, rain detection, and the ability to climb slopes with an incline up to 25% for the standard model and 35% for the Pro. Number 9 is a robot built by tech giant Amazon. Meet ASTRO. ASTRO is a household robot used for home security monitoring. With Alexa and a 6-month free trial of Ring Protect Pro, when you are away from your home, the robot will give you the ability using the ASTRO app to see live video view of your home. You can check in on specific rooms and viewpoints and even get activity alerts. For instance, if someone was trying to break into your house. When you are at home, Astro can follow you from room to room, playing your favorite music, podcasts, or even shows from its touchscreen LCD monitor. The robot has the ability to navigate quickly and gracefully through your ever-changing home decor, using advanced learning algorithms and sensor fusion, without having to worry about if in fact you decide to go on long travel. Because Astro is designed to go directly to the charger to top up its battery when needed, making it the most interesting autonomous home security robot you didn't even know you needed. And the last robot on this list is MOXIE, which is said to be the next generation of artificial intelligent robots that support social emotional development in kids through play. Ideal for children aged 5 through 10. The robot is said to encourage your child's social, emotional, and cognitive development through best practice social and emotional learning. In a 6-week study conducted by Embodied, the researchers found MOXIE improved eye contact, self-esteem, and emotional regulations for school-aged children with autism just by regularly interacting with the robot. With its blue body, big anime eyes, and head shaped like a teardrop, MOXIE is said to be the perfect robotic companion for any growing and learning child. Anyhow, that wraps up the list of the top 10 most interesting robots helping people. If you enjoyed this video and you want to watch more videos like it, make sure you check out all my other videos. And if you haven't already, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe. Till next time, catch you in the next one.